In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Project Tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use tracker you can tailor to your workflow so you can see what's in progress, what's coming next, and what's done, all in one place. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Marketplace. Depending on the layout you're seeing, this area is where Notion showcases ready-made templates. It's the fastest way to get up and running without building a system from scratch, and it ensures the structure is solid from day one. Inside the Marketplace, find the search bar and type Project Tracker. This will pull up a curated set of templates designed specifically to manage projects. Take a moment to scan the thumbnail previews and read the short descriptions. You'll often see different styles, like simple lists, Kanban boards, or more robust dashboards. Pick the one that matches the way you like to think about your work, whether that's visual cards, timelines, or straightforward tables. Click the project tracker you like, then click Add. This imports the template into your Notion workspace so you can start using it right away. As soon as it opens, you'll see example items and pre-built properties. These are just placeholders to help you understand the layout. Now, feel free to customize everything. Rename the template to something meaningful for your team or personal workflow. Open the properties for your database and adjust them to reflect how you actually track work. Common fields include status, priority, due date, assignee, and tags. If you don't use a field, remove it to keep the tracker clean. If you need something specific, like effort, budget, or sprint, add it as a new property. Consistency is key here. Decide what each field means and keep it simple. Explore the views that come with the template. You might have a board view grouped by status, a table view for detailed editing, a calendar for deadlines, or a timeline for longer initiatives. Customize filters to show only what matters, such as tasks due this week or items assigned to you. Rearrange columns, tweak groupings, and rename views so they match your language and process. Finally, test your setup with a few sample projects. Create an item, set a due date, assign a status, and watch how it appears across your views. If anything feels cluttered, remove it. If something's missing, add it. The beauty of Notion is that your project tracker evolves with you, and the Marketplace jumpstarts that journey in minutes.